Look at that view and reflection in the Sickla Lake. Isn't it amazing? What a wonderful day it is today, 10th of November and Friday. Yes, I am today at another new beach location in Stockholm. And more specifically, this is Solbryggan in Sickla. Even more specifically, it's located next to a historical landmark that's called Lilla Sickla. And yes, it is a nice place to chill in the summer days, but even in rest of the seasons. So you see, it's Solbryggan, Lilla Sickla as it says. And it's amazing. It's amazing, and this is the first time I'm showing you this spot on my channel. I have been here once or twice previous years, as it was close to where I was working before a few years back. So I used to take a runs all the way here for lunch. It was like 5 kilometers, and then I was doing a swim and then running back to work. That was a few years back. But yes, that on the other side is also Sickla, and that is the Sickla Strand that I have shown you 1 month ago, I think it was, and it's a very nice beach. That's on the other side of the lake, and I can see on the other side of the lake there are such jetties like this. People are taking a dip also over there, which means I am not the only one in Sweden that is taking dips and swims during these cold months. However, today we have 9 degrees Celsius in the air, no wind, so it is quite warm. I don't feel any cold, even though I'm only in my swimming suit. So yes, it is beach day 184 on my Sweden beach adventures. So we continue as long as the weather allows it. I saw in the forecast it doesn't look bright for next week, but we're gonna make some strong commitment to go all the way to 200. So it's only 16 days now. That's like 2 weeks and 2 days left. So is it worth it? Probably yes. I don't know. One minor thing about this is that they don't have the steps towards there on the outside. They put it here. I think there was some conflict. Some people complained about this in the news. I saw in the local news. And that, I think that's why they put this, because there wasn't any steps before here, because this is not an official beach spot, because they don't measure the water quality here. But to be fair, it's the same water as on the other side. It's only 100 meters away. So, and it looks quite good actually. It looks quite bright. This is obviously a small lake, and there are also some lotus flowers, leaves actually, in the lake. Cool. Friday, let's start the weekend in the best possible way with a quick dip here. Okay, let's see the temperature, because I don't quite remember if it was 6 or 7 degrees last time I was in this lake. So we're gonna see now. All right, it is quite warm actually. It is 7 degrees Celsius over here. Yep, 7 degrees Celsius. So that's okay. It's still 2 degrees less than in the air, but we're gonna make it work, as I have done this already 183 times. So this is the 184th time this year in Sweden only, because I was doing some beach days outside of Sweden, around 30 days. And now that I reflect, I have been swimming in open areas in Sweden, one of the most northernmost countries, for more than half of a year now, as the year has 365 days, sometimes 366. So 184 is definitely above half of that. So yes, let's not wait any longer and take a quick dip here in Sickla Lilla Sickla to be more exact, and this jetty called Solbryggan, which means the sun jetty in Swedish. Are you ready? Let's go! Alright, I didn't expect to be quite deep over here. I didn't touch the ground, but quite nice and quite refreshing indeed. It's not that cold actually, so it was super nice indeed. That's a wrap from Lilla Sickla, and yes, this is actually located in Stockholm municipality and not in Nacka. The other side of the lake is located in Nacka. That's also a fun fact. So thanks a lot for watching and following my beach adventures every single day, and I'm gonna see you again tomorrow with another beach location on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.